Hi, this is Joanne with Broadcast Sunny, and I am participating in Inktober, which I enjoy. I've done it on and off for the past several years. I thought I'd videotape my drawings this year. So this is a pencil drawing. I like to start with pencil because I am very poor with my left and rights. As you can see, the camera got better. Now I'm using a Pigma Brush pen. This is the first time I'm using it. I really like it. It's India ink and has a nice, I like the thick and thin lines of it. Now I am adding watercolor pen over the ink lines. It's from Artist Loft. It's the cheap brand at Michael's. No, I'm not trying to sell anything here. At least I'm not getting paid for it. Anyway, I got these cheap on sale and I thought I'd try it out, and no, I've never used it before, so this is the first. I usually use my travel kit or liquid, but I really liked how it worked. I think I need a little bit more practice using it, but I see its potential, especially with these quick sketches. Yes, I sped it up 500%, I think. Yes, a bit slow. Like I said, I have trouble with left and rights. Now I'm adding some blue to so the other was a black water marker. I'm adding blue because I find grays are really nice with some blue in it. I will have to fix that ear. I'm seeing the mistakes I didn't catch while I was painting, but tried to refix later. I got this idea looking at my dog, and I kind of used my dog as a model to get some of the shaping right. Yes, I fixed that ear. It's driving me nuts looking at it. Oh, so I wanted to blend it better because I didn't like that it wasn't blended. So I added some white. Yes, I have some white watercolor in my travel kit, and I put that on my brush. You can see it there, and use it for kind of blending. I call this sleeping on the job. I made a mistake of that blue strip up there, but that's the beauty of Inktober, is you learn from your mistakes.